there, Samantha Teague of Primal Content PLR. I'm here to show off the brand new 3-day Carnivore Jumpstart opt-in for you that you can use as a lead magnet for your audience. If you are a carnivore coach or if you coach about different primal diets, you're going to absolutely love this new freebie, and it's free for you and you can use it as a freebie for your audience. So let's dive into it. On the left side, you can see the Content Hub document that you'll receive in your inbox when you sign up. And on the right side, you'll see the formatted Canva 3-day Carnivore Jumpstart guide. The guide is going to cover what the carnivore diet is, what the benefits of the carnivore diet are, how your clients can get started, and then they'll get 3 days of delicious recipes for breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner, and a pantry list for them to take to the grocery store with them. You, coach, will also receive a landing/opt-in page copy and a social media caption and a social media graphic for you to promote your brand new opt-in freebie. Now let's take a look at that beautiful Canva guide that you can rebrand with your own colors, your own fonts, and your own voice if you like. First, here you can see the cover where you can select these different elements and swap them out if you want to. To do so, all you need to do is select the element that you'd like to change, hop on over to the left sidebar. Here I'm going to change the color, and as you can see, it gives it a different look. And now I'm going to scroll down here to the table of contents where you can write in your name and your website. You'll also find the table of contents, and then we'll get into the meaty part of the guide where all of the copy that you had on your raw document is formatted for you inside this beautiful Canva template. And they have delicious pictures, a bonus mayonnaise recipe, and a shopping list for your client to make it simple for them. There you have it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. Go ahead and hit that download button and sign up to get your free download today. All right, take care.